So for today's TIC tip, we'd like to demonstrate how we can use this low-cost carrier signal probe detector with our lab scope to help us to diagnose keyless entry faults. Now on this vehicle that I'm using, this is an example of a 2015 Chrysler 200, and I happen to know where the antennas are located on this vehicle. In fact, the perimeter antenna on the left-hand side of the vehicle is actually located in the left rear door toward the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Pico TA330 probe and I'm going to place it in the vicinity of the antenna. Now we'll notice here on the lab scope screen what's going to happen. When I interact with the door handle, what will happen then is the vehicle will issue a challenge to the key fob asking for it to identify itself. What we're actually seeing on the lab scope screen here is that challenge, that low frequency challenge being issued to my key fob. Now we don't see the response back because the response from the key fob back is a high frequency signal that's out of the range of this particular probe. But what we can do with this is we can use it to help verify whether or not the vehicle's system is actually able to challenge the key fob through the antennas that we have that are mounted on the perimeter of the vehicle. Now, one thing that's important to remember, we need to be in the vicinity of the antenna. It's not a tool that will pick up the signal from more than just a few inches. So we need to be right there where the antenna is. But we've shown you how we can use this tool to help you in diagnosing certain keyless entry faults. Hopefully this tech tip will help you in the diagnosis of keyless entry faults.